I am proud to announce that our next New Frontiers mission, Dragonfly, will explore Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Dragonfly will be the first drone lander with the capability to fly over 100 miles through Titan's thick atmosphere. Titan is unlike any other place in our solar system and the most comparable to early Earth. The instruments on board will help us investigate organic chemistry, evaluate habitability, and search for chemical signatures of past or even present life. This revolutionary mission would have been unthinkable just a few short years ago. A great nation does great things. We will launch Dragonfly to explore the frontiers of human knowledge for the benefit of all humanity.
One of the great things about Dragonfly is with the cameras that it has looking forward and downward, as Dragonfly is flying over the surface, it's going to be taking pictures and sending those back to Earth. So we will actually get the experience as if we were riding along with Dragonfly, looking down at this alien yet very familiar kind of surface that has these rivers and mountains. And I think that's going to be a tremendous experience for the public, and I think everybody's really going to enjoy it. The ultimate goal is to get to Selk Crater, which is a really large crater on Titan. It's about 50 miles across, and we want to get there because we think that at Selk Crater, the three ingredients you need for life were mixed together. And that mixing is very important because when that impactor came in, it created a lot of debris and mixed them all together. So we want to get Dragonfly to that crater so we have a chance to directly investigate what happens when you mix those three things together. Because the great thing about Titan is it's very similar chemically to Earth before life evolved. And we can't go back in time on Earth and learn the lessons about the chemistry that eventually led to life. But we can go to Titan and we can pursue those questions and look at that chemistry and get a glimpse into what those conditions were like that eventually led to life on Earth.